Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we have to find the value of this question mark when this expression is given. 100 plus question mark minus 50 divided by 50 is equals to 20. And we have to find the value of question mark. So let's start with today's video. So there are three signs given, that is addition, subtraction and division. So according to Bodmas rule, first division is come. So first we are do the division. So 100 plus question mark minus 5 divided by 50 is 10 is equals to 20. Now question mark 100 plus question mark is equals to 20. There is a minus 10 goes to other side plus 10. So 100 plus question mark is equals to 30. And the value of question mark is 30 minus 100. That is minus 7. Now we are going to check this. Is it correct or not? So in place of question mark, I'm going to put minus 70. So 100 plus minus 70 minus 50 divided by 5. So 100 plus, first we solve bracket. So plus minus is minus 70 minus 50 divided by 5. So 100, according to Bodmas rule, first we solve the division. Minus 70, 5 divided by 50 is minus 10. 100 minus 70 is 30. And minus 10, 30 minus 10 is 20. Yes, our final answer is 20. That is equals to RHS. So the value of question mark is minus 70. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.